Welcome to the LEED Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. This is a certification by USGBC for the green buildings. In this session, we understand the credential process. After this session, you'll get the quiz. Of course, attend the quiz. What is LEED and why are taking the LEED exams or LEED credential? Before you diving into the effort of studying, make sure this test is applicable and appropriate for you. Actually, this video will provide the important concept of the tiered credential system, three-tiered credential system, that is LEED GA, LEED AP, and LEED Fellow, to ensure that the components and the exam registration process are understood by you. Actually, LEED is the acronym for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, signifying a green building operating system designed based on to evaluate projects and award them certification based on their performance. LEED is nationally accepted benchmark for design, construction, operation of a high performance green buildings, and it is now most widely recognized and widely used green building program across the globe. For LEED accreditation, as it involves three tiers. These are LEED Green Associate is the first tier. You can say it LEED GA. Second is LEED Accredited Professional or LEED AP with specialty. Third is LEED Fellow. It's an important part, and you need experience for these. I start with the Green Associate or LEED GA. Who are Green Associates? Who have basic understanding of green building systems and technologies. They are actually Green Associates. LEED Green Associate exam is geared toward all persons involved in sustainable design, construction, and operation. Beyond just the typical architectural and engineering design, students and professionals. Typical architecture and engineering professionals just think of the structures, but not about the environment and other situation. Mm, and LEED GA or other LEED accreditation holder will of course consider sustainable design. And now the who are green associates, the actually the who can be the green associates. A lawyer can be a green associate, accountants, contractors, owners, and developers. Actually, any person interested in the field of sustainable design and is green building eligible to sit for the exam, especially those with LEED project experience who have experience, and it is easy for them to sit LEED exams, but who have no experience before, he need to attend an educational course focused in sustainable design. Second one is LEED AP accreditation professional. LEED AP with specialty is divided into 5 types of specialties, and they are LEED AP building design plus construction is BD plus C, LEED AP interior design plus construction ID plus C, LEED AP operation plus maintenance O plus M. It's an important issue, important specialty. LEED AP homes, LEED AP neighborhood development, and this exam test whole or partial neighborhood development projects knowledge. I start with LEED AP building design plus construction. It's the scope of new construction and major renovation in the field of commercial, residential, educational, and healthcare sectors. Projects that includes BD plus C is new construction, credential, schools, retail, hospitality, data centers, warehouse and distribution centers, healthcare, homes, and mid-rise multi-family residential structures. Second one is LEED AP interior design plus construction ID plus C. This exam contains questions related to tenant improvement and fit out project knowledge for commercial interior, retail, hospitality professionals, etc. Then is LEED AP operation plus maintenance is an important part. as we have more existing building. This exam covers existing building project knowledge specific to operation and maintenance issue of commercial facilities, schools, retail facilities, hospitality facilities, data centers, warehouse and distribution of centers. Fourth one is lead AP homes. This exam applies to professionals practicing residential market only. I start with a lead green associate. Lead green associate credentialing tier is the first step to obtaining lead AP status. Without lead green associate exam, you cannot sit for lead AP status. First, you have to take lead green associate exam. uh, you can take green associate exam in one day, or then you can lead take a lead AP exam in another day, or you can take green associate exam and lead AP exam in one day. It's your wish. Lead green associate credential and lead AP credential is can be taken by all, because lead projects experience is no longer required for these two type of credential. Last is lead fellow. The third tier of the credentialing system, lead fellow, is the highest level of credentialing, and it's required project experience, technical knowledge and skill, a history of exemplary leadership in green building, significant contribution in teaching, mentoring or research with proven outcomes, a history of high impactful commitment, service and advocacy for green building and sustainability. The exam registration process now. First, you have to visit website www.usgvc.org. You have to first download the handbook. In this handbook, you will find study material, how to register for the exam, how to schedule your exam, a pre-exam checklist, what to expect on the day of your exam, what to do after your exam. Next step includes establishing an account with the USGBC website. Then you have to sign up and create the account with USGBC consistent with the account holder's name. It's an important part. You have to sign up the actual name, uh, in which name you are going to sit for the exam. Now register. Once an account is established with USGBC, the next step is to register for exam. It is advised not to register for the exam any longer than 1 month prior to your desired exam date. To register for the exam, visit www.usgbc.org/lead/credential. Click on register for the exam, input the required information and pay the exam fee. An approved registration is valid for up to 1 year once the exam fees are paid. After the fee has been paid, you will be redirected to Prometric to schedule exam. When ready to schedule an exam date, visit www.prometric.com/gbci, or you can sign into your account at the USGBC website. Follow the links to the Prometric website to schedule a date to take the exam from the credential section. After an exam date is scheduled, a confirmation code is displayed on the screen. Keep this code, it's an important part. Candidates will have 3 LOA testing attempts per 1 year registration period. You cannot sit more than 3 exams in 1 year. Actually, why you are earning lead credential? Because lead green associate credential help the build environment to become more sustainable and the market to evolve, transform and grow. Now is the quiz time. First question is, how many types of credential for lead AP with specialty are available? Uh, you know this. This answer is A, 5 type of credential in lead AP specialty. Same question, is it possible to sit for the lead green associate exam and the lead AP ID plus C exam in one day? What's in your mind? Of course it's yes. Third one is lead project experience needed in order to sit for the lead AP operation plus maintenance exam? You don't sit without experience in lead APO plus operation and maintenance exam. Fourth one is how long is the exam registration period valid? It's 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, or it never expires. Of course, it's 1 year. Last question: what does LEED stand for? Of course, you know it. It's leadership in energy and environmental design. That's all from my sides in this. Keep connected. Thank you.